In this tutorial, you'll learn how to display a password in plain text using JavaScript in Articulate Storyline 360. First, open your Storyline 360 project and go to the slide where you want to add the password feature. Next, create two text variables. Name them encrypted password and unencrypted password. Now, create a trigger to store the value entered by the learner in the encrypted password variable. Then, create another trigger to change the start button state to normal when the unencrypted password variable changes. Add a condition so this trigger runs only when unencrypted password is equal to start quiz. This means the start button will be enabled only when the correct password is entered. Next, create a trigger to run JavaScript when the timeline starts. Open the JavaScript editor, paste the script, and click OK. Before you preview the course, make sure the variable names in the JavaScript match the variable names in course. If they do not match, the script will not work. Now, preview the slide. Type a password into the password field. The password stays hidden, but JavaScript reads the value and stores it in the unencrypted password variable. If you type any other value, the button stays disabled. When you type Start Quiz, the Start button becomes active. That's it. You have successfully created a password validation feature using JavaScript in Storyline 360. Thanks for watching and happy course creating with Articulate Storyline 360.